Hey everyone! Need to contact Grammarly support in mobile phone? Here's how you can do it through the Grammarly app. First, make sure you have Grammarly app installed on your device and are logged in. Once you are in, go to the support section. In the support area, you can search for the issue you need help with. Grammarly has a comprehensive list of solutions for common problems that you can scroll through. If you don't find what you are looking for, scroll down to the button and click on Submit a Request. To make a new request, fill out the form with the details and issue you are facing, and Grammarly support team will get back to you as soon as possible. And that's it. You are all set to get help you need from Grammarly support. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thank you.